have already begun the march through the hurricane season. The hurricane season lasts for 6 months of the year. It starts on the 1st of June. The peak of the hurricane season usually occurs between August and October. So the traditional peak is actually just about the 10th of September. But as we move into August, going into September, October, that's when we expect a greater frequency of development of tropical storms, hurricanes across the general area, which means the Caribbean, the North Atlantic Ocean, or the Gulf of Mexico. Anywhere in that general region, we could have that kind of development. And so we always have to be ready for that occurrence. We have heard already that the forecast for this hurricane season is that it would be near to normal. I don't know what that means for any of us, really, because if we only have one hurricane produced this year and it occurs in the Caribbean, moves over Jamaica as a major hurricane, it would be nothing normal for us. And so we cannot consider the word normal to be one that allows us to slip into any kind of complacency. Our actions, our preparations cannot be normal. We cannot take the position where when a hurricane watch is announced, that is when we move to the making some kind of preparation. We rush to the hardware stores or we rush to the supermarkets. That should not be our activity, but that is what is normal for us. So we must not adopt the posture of normality as we move through this hurricane season, even if it is considered to be a normal season in terms of the number of storms or hurricanes that could develop.